Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to learn about power system. This is my first video on power system. That's why we have introduction to power system. This is mainly useful for electrical engineering students, I guess, but I don't know whether other students also learn this. But as I am an electrical engineering student, I know that this is studied in electrical engineering, and it has two it usually come with two semester. Like first semester we will study power system 1, in the other semester power system 2. Like I study this one in fourth year, fourth year of my studies. So fourth year, first semester I study power system 1, and second semester I study power system 2. Now let's look at the definition of power system. Power system, an electric power system, is a network of electrical components deployed to generate, transfer, and use electric power. So here the power system is basically to generate and then transfer. Okay, generate, transfer, and use the electrical. We can also say distribute. So here we have studying about generate to transfer, and then distribute. And why do we study this is how can we make this process more efficient. Excuse me. We study power system to see how can we do all these things more efficient. In other words, we can also say less cost. That's why we study power system, so we can reduce the cost that required to do these things, efficiency, and even time. Now let's look at the syllabus. Now syllabus, the first thing we are going to learn is power generation methods. There are various power generation methods according to your country. Some of the country have they get the power generation from thermal and hydro. I'm in Canada. I think most of the Canadian electricity are from hydro. And the next one is nuclear. Also, we have also nuclear. I think nuclear and other. So there are many way of generating powers. Like you can thermal generate power, you can hydro generate power, nuclear generate power, and other method of generating power. That's first thing. And then we are going to study economic factors, economic load dispatch, three-phase system. Three-phase system is something we study in second year, third year. Like if you study electromechanical system, I think you already, like circuit analysis, electromechanical system. Those kind of courses target on three-phase systems. Y system, delta system, I think you heard about it. So that's what we study in three-phase system. And then transmission line parameters, transmission line performance, power flow equations, corona, and insulators, cables, voltage and foot frequency control, fault analysis and stability, switch gear and protection, and HVDC, flexible AC transmission system. So this is our syllabus basically. Now what's the objective of learning this course? Objective number 1. We want to make the electrical energy like cost minimum. To make the electrical energy cost minimum. That's one of the objective for learning this course. And the second one is economic factor. This is actually comes in the first one, economic factor. We have a syllabus for that. And then economic generation of power, those kind of things. Now the next thing we are gonna, next objective is rated uppers. Okay, rated upper tech, voltage, voltage per load, control, to learn this kind of things, the ratio. Then third one is reliable and continual power supply, because nobody want to get power cut or something like third world countries. So we learn how can we provide reliable and continual power supply. Reliable and continual power supply. And for this one we study this trans HVDC, and then yeah, that's the thing, trans HVDC, and then those kind of things. And we have like 2 more objectives. The next one is actually 3 more. Most efficient and faster fault clearing equipment, and faster fault clearing equipment. And the 5th one is stability of generator. And the 6th one is flexible power over wide range. Flexible power supply for wide range and power cables. So these are the objectives. To study these objectives, we divide this one into 15 different syllabus to learn each this thing, and how can we apply in the real life. That's all in this video. I'm going to continue this syllabus on my next videos. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.